to civilian formations. It's the West Coast Ravens. Now, if you look high to the left, with the smoke on, you'll see the Ravens watch as solo number 1 and 2 on the wings pitch down and unload their aircraft and aim for the deck to separate from the formation. They'll gain airspeed for their high-speed pass. Solo lead will signal solo number 2 to join up as they come around to close to over 200 miles an hour as they exit show right after this turn. West Coast Ravens are a highly skilled group of aviators from all walks of life. Some are current military aviators who hail from Beale Air Force Base itself, and some are retired military aviators, airline pilots, and some are just highly skilled civilian pilots who don't make aviation their full-time job. Watch them bring these beautiful aircraft in. These are home-built aircraft, ladies and gentlemen, very, very similar to each other, all from the RV line, with each owner and builder puts their own unique touches on the aircraft, the engine choice, the avionics, the paint scheme. Now, entering the show from Airshow right is our flight of 6, what they call the double V formation, or as well as the double Vic formation, with the smoke on. Listen. And you'll see how with the engines, how the wingmen are using power changes every second to stay in formation. Very distinctive on these live combing engines that they're flying. These RE aircraft are very, very popular series of aircraft. Over 10,000 of these aircraft flying all over the world. 10,000. And all of them are home built. Each aircraft is very, very unique. Here comes the two-shipper right now. 200 miles an hour, show you the passenger range. The pitch off high right now, leading off the speed, and the speed right now gets down to about 70 miles an hour. Solo lead is going to kick right. The solo 2 on his way. He's going to point the aircraft at the deck and accelerate right back on up to 200 miles per hour. Your eyes, they'll call for the change. Look back right now, you start to see the tops of the aircraft. Look for wingman number 1 and 2. Lead calls the formation to go airplane, and 2 and 3 will slide out, in fact, fly off of number 4. It takes a lot of skill and calm because they're focused on the guy in front of them. They're actually sliding the plane backwards into the formation. showing up on the Delta formation. He's got the time, he's got it in sight, full power. Now he's got to use that airspeed now. It's right on up. Make it an H. You can learn more about the West Coast Ravens on their website or on Facebook. Just Google West Coast Ravens. Right there. Beautiful formation. He's the wing mentioning symmetrical on the formation. The Airshow. The team is going to reposition now for the pop-up roads and lanes. This is how they take eight aircraft in very, very close formation, separate before the individual aircraft landing here, runway 15 at Beale Airport Base. The H-ship Delta, ladies and gentlemen. Testing your skills in formation, or you just want to get an autograph, or you just want to say thank you to the pilots, please see me after the show. I'll be over the performing area. We've got a section over there for all the performers to go sign autographs. Throughout the day, head on by. Each of the performers will take a little time in the jet after they perform, and you can meet them and chat with them. You'll see now the formation breaking into 2 4-ships as they set up for the military-style recovery. Airshow right, the West Coast Ravens in their flights, the 4-ship elements for the pop-up break to land with the smoke on. Now they'll run through the checks and make sure the gear is down already. The gear always down in there in the series. F-16 pilots out of Alabama. They almost about 8 pilots in the squadron. Bought the aircraft because they say it flies so incredibly. When they're not flying